In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil filter on your Subaru Outback. Remove the oil fill cap. With a catch can installed under you, we're going to remove the oil filter. Be careful, if your car is hot, this area will be extremely hot. You'll burn yourself very easy. If you need to, you can use a rag, wrap it around your hand, and then get at the filter, or you can use an extension and use a tool. Remove the oil filter. I'm going to crack ours free. I'm going to let it drain. Once it's done draining, we'll take it fully off. This is just to avoid a mess. Remove the oil filter. Using a rag, we're going to clean where the oil filter sat, all the old oil. We're going to take a bit of clean engine oil on our finger. We're going to wipe it on the threads on the inside, and around the seal on the outside. Install the oil filter. Thread it on and get it nice and snug. With a catch can installed under you, you're going to use a 14mm socket to remove the drain plug out of the oil pan. Remove the drain plug. Remove the old crush washer off of the drain plug. Check if it's stuck to the pan. Ours isn't on the pan, nor is it on the drain plug. It just didn't get put on. We're going to install our new crush washer. And when our oil is totally done draining, we're going to install it into the pan. Install the drain plug. Snug it down. Torque the drain plug 30 to 32 foot-pounds. On the oil fill cap, it'll tell you which oil to use. I'm going to fill the oil to the manufacturer's specified capacity. Reinstall the fill cap. We're going to check the oil, pull the dipstick. On this first pull, we're going to wipe it, reinsert, pull it back out. On this one, we're going to be looking for the correct level. There's a high mark and a low mark. We want to be at the high mark. In between the two is about a quart. Since we're at the tall mark, we're good to go. We'll reinstall our dipstick, start the vehicle, let it run for a few seconds, turn it off, let the car sit for about 5 minutes, let all the oil drain back into the oil pan, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.